Dad and I used to buy Swanson chicken and beef pot pies all the time. Swanson ain't got shit on us.
They ain't got shit on
this.
this.
Is amazing. Margie. Yeah, awesome job.
Very
Y'all
nice.
definitely have to try this one. This is the bomb. It is so good. Yeah. What's up, everybody? It is January 26th. 2023, the first month of the year is almost gone, and they may be wondering why we have so many props.
We got a lot of props. We have a big old turkey.
Yep. You talking about me?
Yeah,
Okay.
you're the big old turkey. But I mean, we've had a lot of turkey in November into
Thanksgiving.
December.
Christmas, yes we did. And ham too, though.
And why are we having turkey again?
What do you think?
Because it's almost turkey season.
It is almost turkey season. It is on my brain. I've already seen numerous posts. My buddy Ben O'Brien has been posting about turkey season. He's one of the biggest turkey nuts I know. And several other friends have been posting about turkey season. I'm ready for turkey season. And I went into the freezer the other day.
And you
I didn't know we still had turkey. I've got another package, just like this one is from turkeys that Eddie and I killed last April. And it kind of got buried, and I didn't know that we had it. So we're always having venison.
I know, and you said, "Hey, I found this turkey in the freezer. I thought you were going out to get some beef of some sort."
Venison.
And yes, and then you showed up with this, and I thought, "What are we gonna do with that?" Well,
guess what?
lo and behold,
we know some chefs. And so I
sounds really good.
I went to our website, went to fromfieldtotable.com, just typed in turkey, did the search, and one popped up that Deborah and I have never made before, and is actually from our friend Margie Nelson, one of our chefs, the Wild Gourmet, and it sounds absolutely delicious.
It really does, and simple. I mean.
It's not one of our quick videos or quick recipes.
It has a little bit higher number scale, but the ingredients are basic as far as easy to get.
It's nothing fancy, but there's going to be a decent amount of work, so we're going to quick blab in here in just a minute because she's got work to do. I've got work to do on getting this prepared.
We haven't pre-prepped anything like we normally do.
I have a little bit. I got some stuff done. She was doing laundry. And so I came here and set all this up. But one thing I've got, so I brag on Margie all the time, but I'm going to give her a little bit of shit right here. So I was texting with her the day asking her about this recipe, and she says, it's not turkey pot pie. And I was like, well, that's what it says. She's like, no, it's more like dumplings because you're using biscuits. And right here on
there's
the recipe that she sent me, y'all can see that. What does that say right there? It says, think turkey pot pie. So Margie, like most women, you're sending mixed messages. What do you want?
Oh, wow.
I'll get in trouble for that one.
Oh, you're going to get in
But
so much trouble.
That is what it
for
says.
that one.
So here's what the actual recipe is. I guess before we get going here.
Let's talk about it, because I don't know this recipe.
Well, neither do I, other than reading it on our website. So we're trying it for the first time.
You need to tell it to me and Tom.
Yeah, so it is, as far as you and Tom. So the ingredients, the core of it is like turkey pot pie because it has potatoes and carrots and celery and onion in it, and it is in a creamy roux. But instead of using like pastry puff for a crust, we are using Bisquick to make drop biscuits. Actually, not just biscuits, cheesy biscuits. So it will have
now
a cup.
You're speaking my language.
Cheese.
Yeah.
Yes. So it'll have a cup of cheddar and a quarter cup of Parmesan
Yum.
in it, and then also it's got pepper and garlic powder.
Okay.
And so then we'll mix that with milk, or actually I think that's the part that Deborah's going to do, but we'll do it last because we've got this other stuff to do. So everything else is just pot pie ingredients. So we're going to dice up an onion, we're going to dice up some celery, carrots, and you can't see them in here.
I was fixing to hit you with one of those.
And a potato. I'm going to.
So that looks nice.
This will be my part. I'm going to clean this up and dice up the turkey.
Beautiful.
And then we will cook it in chicken stock.
Okay.
simmer in chicken stock, and then everything goes together with some flour that I don't have out here yet. We'll make a roux with it. We saute the vegetables in some butter that I have in here. And yeah, then we make the roux. It goes in a glass.
That's what I was gonna ask. Is it going like in a 9x11
I
dish pan?
I think that's
or-
what she said.
That's what I love about having these recipes here.
Yeah, exactly.
I can't see that far.
I don't have my glasses on. But anyway, yes, so it goes in a glass dish, in a greased glass dish.
All right.
And then you take the drop biscuits and you just put it on top for the crust. It goes in the oven and cooks for another 30 minutes. So it's already like 6:30 here. This is when I usually eat my dinner because I go to bed in like 2 hours. So we're going to get busy. We'll start chopping some of this stuff up. We'll have Tim, who does all our editing, do some fast forward kind of stuff so you don't have to watch us chop it all up. And then whenever we get ready to start mixing it, we'll come back and tell you what we're doing. How's that? Cool. Let's get started.
Sounds good.
All right. In the cast iron, we've got 2 ounces of butter. And in that, we've got to start cooking all the vegetables. The turkey will simmer in the chicken stock for about 15 minutes. And then while it's simmering in that, then the vegetables we will saute in our cast iron with 2 ounces of butter.
When does the flour
Right now.
added for the roux?
Yeah, it goes in right now.
With the veggies?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah, add flour to make a roux,
All right.
it says.
It says.
The flour is added to start making a roux. That's just mixing it with the butter, obviously, and the vegetables. Now I'm getting ready to add the turkey and the broth. This is already starting to look like, I don't care what Margie says, a chicken pot pie. So this is going in here. So here goes
Oh boy. All right, there's the peas.
the 4 cups.
Oh. That
And all the
looks
turkey.
and smells incredible already.
It's already smelling good. So now I'm just going to let this simmer. So this is looking good. This is all thickened up. Look at that.
Ooh, that looks good.
It doesn't, though? Yeah, it smells really good too. So
smells delicious.
we need to add the peas. So there's some green color for you. Did you want to add the peas?
You're fine. I'm gonna get the milk out and start thinking
Oh.
about working on the drop biscuits.
Yeah, you need to make your biscuits.
That's close. We'll put it in the oven and then cook it up and we'll be ready to eat.
There's a turkey butt behind you.
Oh, Tom.
Don't touch his butt. You don't know where it's been.
It's so soft.
He's got a soft butt.
It's got a soft butt. Alright.
So what all's in there? Do you remember?
Bisquick. Right?
Yes.
Bisquick and chives. Pepper, salt, and garlic powder?
No salt, but yes, garlic powder.
Alright. And
Yes.
then, does the recipe say to add all of the cheeses?
Yep. Add the.
And then the milk? Or.
Yeah, it says add all the dry ingredients and then the milk and then stir it up. So dry ingredient, dry ingredient, dry ingredients. Not dry ingredients.
And we'll have to go easy on this because we're using almond milk instead of.
Yeah, so maybe don't use as much.
And it's super thin. So, oh.
Oop, timer. All right, so that means that the roux, this being the roux, is ready. Ooh, I want to eat this like right now.
How much milk? Where does it
What I see,
say?
a cup or a cup and a half?
Uh,
1.5. So I would start with a 1 start with 1 cup.
Okay.
And then go from there.
All right.
So dump your cheese in first, and you can use one of the. Then you can use that.
Or this.
That's a 1/2 cup.
Okay. Ooh,
What?
it's thick. It's thick.
Oh.
All right, I'm gonna start with 1/2 cup
Okay.
of almond milk.
Close
It
your cup,
says,
have you?
yeah.
You're gonna need
it
at least
sa-
1 cup.
Yeah, so we'll do 1 cup for sure.
So she's only doing 1 cup because it's almond milk. She'll mix it up and see how it is.
And then if we need to add more, we will.
Yes.
And these will become the drop biscuits
Yes.
that go on top of our mixture that we've been cooking on the stove. And then we'll put it in the oven.
Yep.
You're so close to me.
Yeah, honey, this is a GoPro.
You like close up.
No, it's a GoPro. It's like wide angle.
Oh.
It's like I can see like all
I know,
the
but I
kitchen,
can
the
see
turkey.
myself right now.
Yeah, so if it was a close-up, it would be like this.
Stop.
That's a close-up.
I'm such a
This is
brat.
not a close-up.
All right. This is really thick. I
Yeah,
think
so-
we need to add some more.
Yeah, I would say so.
All right.
Not all of it.
You better stop. You trying to get a reaction out of me?
That's what Chef does to me all the time, and our clients.
Well,
So you got a scoop for me,
yep, there you go. I'll let
Okay.
you do this part.
and then you'll do the other part,
I
right?
guess.
Okay.
I've never dropped
Golly, look at.
biscuits.
Actually, I have. Dad and I used to make drop biscuits from Bisquick all the time. Never,
We should
maybe not
swap rolls.
swap roles. So I get to be the boss. Is that what you're saying? I get to be in charge and tell you what to do. So I kind of like that idea.
Mm-hmm.
I get to tell you how to drive and where to park,
Mm-hmm.
and I get to use the imaginary brakes. I get to put my fingernails in the dashboard. Can y'all tell we do road trips together? Okay. But I mean, this whole thing has just got to be covered anyway. So why not just cover the whole thing? Right?
Oh my goodness.
Would you give me a fork too?
A fork?
Yeah.
Like this one?
There we go. Scrape it off. There we go.
Yeah.
All right. So now.
Into the oven it goes.
Okay, that's not hot, so.
That's
Well-
not hot.
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and
All right.
do the honors here?
All right. I will.
It's not hot.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
All right.
Come on there, safety
In
Sally.
for 40 minutes.
Yep. No, 30.
30?
Yeah.
All
We'll
right.
keep an eye out because it probably won't take that long.
Oh, well, we'll just have.
Shut it, shut it, shut it, shut it. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
We'll be back in 30. Oh, the timer went off.
It's ready.
I'm excited.
It
Oh,
smells
look at
delicious.
Look at that.
Look at
Be
those drop biscuits, y'all.
Be careful.
I will.
Wow, that looks so good. We're rolling over here too.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
You guys.
Y'all, if you don't make this, something wrong with y'all.
Ah! I'm so
Wow.
excited. Okay, here we go.
Yep, I'm just gonna set her over here.
Yes.
Wow, that looks so good.
Wow.
All right, so here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna let it cool. So while we're letting it cool, Deborah and I will do our thumbnails. When you see the thumbnail for the video, know where it came from.
Hey, can Tom be in it?
Yeah, we'll put Tom in there.
Show Tom.
Yeah. Tom. Oh man! All right, we've been waiting a little bit.
A little bit.
And I don't know if we waited long enough, but we waited as long as we can. So we're both. I haven't been this excited to try one in quite a while. So
yeah, because we've not had this before.
No, we haven't had it. So Margie, if it's as good as it looks, it's gonna be good.
It smells incredible.
So let's just. You want to just take a bite out of here instead of putting it in a dish? Can we do that?
Hot. Yeah, I mean.
But we can blow on it.
All right, it's just gonna be so hot. That's my biggest worry is like burning the
Oh, you're so hot.
hell out of my mouth. Look at the steam coming off of this thing.
show it over there. There you go.
I don't know if they can even see
Oh
that.
yeah, you'll be able to see it.
Oh my gosh. You go first.
I got a little bit of everything. I got some turkey in there. I got
It's
some
a
potato. I got
400
carrot. I got
degree ingredients. Okay, I just got a bite of turkey.
Okay. Memory lane here, real quick.
What?
I know most of you all watching are in the demographic that will remember Swanson pot pies. You remember those? Dad and I used to eat those all the time.
Yeah, Swanson still hits our neighborhood.
Yeah, no, that's a different Swanson. That's
a different one.
Yeah, that's not Swanson that was in the grocery store. Completely different. Anyway, Dad and I used to buy Swanson chicken and beef pot pies all the time. Swanson ain't got shit on us.
They ain't got shit on this.
This is amazing. Margie. Yeah, awesome job.
Very
Y'all
nice.
definitely have to try this one. This is the bomb. It is so good. Yeah. This is one of my favorite ones that we've done. Comfort food.
It's almost turkey season.
We're so close to turkey season. We may just have to wait before we publish this one until like right at turkey season. And y'all are going to want to know, what do I do with my turkey?
Yeah, here you go.
Do this not chicken pot pie.
Not chicken pot pie.
That's what Margie said. She said it's not chicken pot pie.
Well, because it's not. It's a drop biscuit chicken pot pie. It's a casserole, right? It is.
Oh, so good.
Yum.
I'm not even kidding.
It's delicious.
Yeah, Margie got on to me because but she called it chicken pot pie. She said you'd use a pastry puff for chicken pot pie. This is more like dumplings, she said. But it's not like dumplings either. It's just good. We're just gonna call it good. Good chicken pot pie. Right, Tom? Yeah.
It's turkey.
Alright, so I keep saying chicken, don't
I know.
Okay, well, turkey pot pie. You all know what I mean. We got a turkey here, so you remember. But anyway.
It's like a turkey pot. It's a turkey drop biscuit casserole.
Okay. I'll tell you what it is. It's good.
Oh.
So y'all should try it. Yeah,
It's
it is so good. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys think about this one. This is our favorite one. Y'all should try it at home.
Yeah.
Even if you don't have wild turkey yet, go buy turkey at the grocery store. Go hunt a turkey.
Yeah.
But if you
come
don't,
with us and hunt a turkey.
well, there you go. Yeah, give us a
We
call.
got some great field to table events.
Lindsay will hook you up with a turkey hunt, or I think we've still got some in Oklahoma to go hunt turkeys for field to table. But anyway, do this recipe. Let us know what you think about it. We love doing it. Thank you for watching. Appreciate y'all's support. We're going to eat. I'm hungry.
Stay tuned. This is good. Cheers.
Oh, this is my favorite.
This is your favorite?
Yeah, this is my new favorite. Yeah, this is a good one.